I want to talk about a resource that I put together, and this is particularly for people who want continuous education. This is in particular for people who need help in practicing, making time to practice. A lot of us are entrepreneurs. We're very busy. A lot of us say that, I want to try fine line tattooing. I want to add that to my service menu, but it took you 2 years to do it. Why? So I created an app where you can practice things on the go because the app is right there. It's on your home screen. You open your phone and it's right there. You don't got to go anywhere. You don't got to get on a desktop. You don't got to make space. You just need your phone and your tattoo machine. So basically how it works is this is long form of content. So we've been here for 12 minutes, right? This is very short form content. And why I created it like that, because we're always scrolling through Instagram. All of us are always scrolling through Instagram and we're learning through Instagram. Like I follow so many people that post permanent makeup content and I'll be like, oh my God, the way they use their machine, like I love the reels. I love the short thing. But a lot of times I have questions like what colors did they use? How are they holding their machine? How did it heal? All this stuff. And it's like the 30-second reel is teaching me something, but it's not teaching me everything. And that's the whole point because they want to sell their workshop, right? So what I wanted to do is create that same style of learning, so short form content right on the phone. But I wanted to remove all the things that bothered me, which is how do I even know that the information they're posting is true and it's not like clickbait? For example, a lot of people have been posting like healed 5-day work. What is 5-day healed? Like, I don't understand that. So I wanted the app to be like verified content, whether I'm the instructor or like in the future, my goal is to have 5 or 10 instructors, and I want to be able to huddle and say, hey, is the module I'm putting out verified? Is the module we're putting out like worth the information? Is this the true information? I want to be able to kind of have experts checking the information before putting it out there. So that's kind of one thing I wanted to remove. I also wanted to remove any distractions. So a lot of times, we're posting on Instagram to go viral, but we're not posting necessarily to give the most value. So I wanted to remove that. I want to remove any ads, and like anything that's not permanent makeup or tattooing. This is like a purely permanent makeup tattooing social app. You can't comment on the videos. And you can't like the videos. You could just watch the videos and basically at the end of the module, you submit your work. And if you've ever had a gym app or an exercising app, basically what those do is you turn on the app, you do the workout, you close the app, you get on the next day and you do it again. The way you see results is if you logged in 30 days that month and did a workout every single day, and then by the 30 days, you've lost the 5 pounds, you've hit your goal. Same thing with permanent makeup and tattooing. You practice every day. By the 30 days, you're better at that one skill that you were practicing. And so the way I designed the app is basically at the top, we put like nano brows, fine line tattooing, permanent makeup mapping, ombre, lip blush, eyeliner, brow tinting. And so you can practice anything inside those subjects. And then if you're a teacher and you want to teach inside those subjects, just hit me up and be like, hey, this is my work. I've been teaching for this long, and then we'll get you on the app. So another thing you can do is document your practice. So every single time, every single day that you log in and you practice, you put it in your student dashboard and you have an organized way of seeing your progress. And every session is about 1 minute long. So each module is 1 minute long, and then there's 8 of them. So the first module will be, for example, how to hold your machine, like which angle. Second module is which cartridge size we're using. Things that I wish some of those fast Instagram reels about how to do something would show you, like every single thing, how I'm holding the hand. For example, this is how to line. So let's say you are new to fine line tattooing and you are still practicing lining. This you could replay as many times as you need to, and basically what it's going to do is help you practice making a line, and it shows you every single detail from angle, from pulling the line, and it's very detailed. So The other thing is, like, let's say this module is needle knowledge. What this module is going to do is explain to you every single cartridge and what it does in a fast way. So it's not like you and me sitting here having a 16-minute conversation or you playing this on your phone. It's basically like, I want to practice. I don't want you to say anything else. I just want you to show me how to do it. That's what the app is about. And I'm so excited to have it available for everyone. So if you have taken a Beauty Institute course in the past 2 years, you can get the student discount, which is $49 a month, and you can have unlimited access to all the modules. And I think I've seen other permanent makeup artists have modules, but usually they're selling them one by one. So you'd have to buy like the $39 or $49 module, and then you have to like keep buying modules. But with this, I wanted you to have all the modules ever for like one payment per month. I just think it's better, especially because a lot of like people that take our ombre class or nano brow class, for example, they want to know how to fine line tattoo maybe, but they don't want to buy the full class, or they don't even know if they want to invest in it. So in this app, you will have access to all the subjects, which is awesome because sometimes we just want to dabble in things or wondering about things. And then if you want the full class with certification and feedback on your work and, everything that our online classes come with, then you can also take the full class. Both of them are two completely separate things. Like the modules are not going to supplement for an online class. And then the online class isn't going to give you like that homework support or that practice motivation and reminders and push notifications that are like, hey, did you practice today? So if you need that, I just wanted to share with you what we're working on in 2025 to grow our company and also grow in the way that we're giving value. So for the past 3-4 years, we've been giving online classes and products. In 2025, we also want to give you a way that you can feel connected to us after you take the classes, after you take the product. So we're always also constantly thinking of ways to grow with you. And there's also one more thing that I'm trying to do with the app subscription. And this is something that I'm testing out. I want to do like 2 live seminars, not seminars, like maybe webinars online, where basically one of them is we're practicing together, where I'm looking at your work, looking at how you're holding your machine. And this is for people that are subscribed in the app and telling you what to improve on. Or like if you have business questions or it's kind of like a huddle where we're all together and we're all asking questions together. And I want to do that one time a month for all the app subscribers. And we would do that through the Beauty Institute Pro Club, which I've just created. I do want to connect with you on a personal level. So if you feel like you want the app plus meeting up with me once a month, talking about things in a group setting, then maybe you should look into the membership. The membership for students, again, is $49 a month. If you're non-student, it's $99 a month, but then maybe just like become a student and then get it. And then it is also free for people who purchase any online class in the past 3 months. So if you want the app and the practicing once a month, just make sure that you're using the code FREE, the number 3, and then months. Plug that in to our Beauty Institute website, add the membership to your cart, use that code, and then you'll have 3 months for free. So and then you can cancel it. Like if you feel like this isn't worth it, whatever, you can cancel it. But basically it gives you unlimited access to all the tutorials and then a schedule access. So basically, like, I'll show you the schedule we had this month, and it's not super full because this is my first month doing it, but down the line, maybe, we'll have more things. But the 2025 success webinar, so this, was live. So it would be like, you can come in and instead of watching the recording of it, which you just watched, we would be together and then you can ask questions and stuff like that. On Wednesday, we had a digital marketing meeting. And then on the 14th, I'm actually meeting with the president of the AAM, Michelle. And she is going to be sharing how to do Google ads, how to run ads, because she's really awesome. Like, she advertised a lot of seminars, but she's just super efficient, really good with automation. So I'm really excited to speak with her. And then on the 22nd is when we're having that live workshop where we can hang out and chat. So if you're inside the class and you want access to this and you're like, anybody who purchased after Black Friday, which was 11/11, that's when we started this promotion for 2025. You can get this for free. And all you have to do is use a code free 3 months, FREE number 3 MONTHS. And yeah, so, but if you've purchased the courses and you're like, you know what, I want to be a part of that, I want to try it out, but you purchased before Black Friday of 2024, then just use code 49 locked in, 49 locked in. And you can use that. So all you have to do is go on the Beauty INKstitute website, put the pro membership in your cart, and then add one of these codes. And then you are going to be with us and you can cancel anytime. I wanted to share this with you in case this is a resource that we can all use this year. This is the type of material, this is the type of, content and material that I plan on putting inside of the Beauty INKstitute Pro Club. A lot of it is also going to be free because I genuinely love helping people. I don't like to do everything for money. Like a lot of this is going to be turned into podcasts. A lot of this is going to be on YouTube available. But if you want to be there and you want to chat and you want to see like other people and like all that stuff and have the opportunity to ask questions and like you want me to hold your hand and help you practice and all that stuff, that's what the membership is for. You want the tutorials, you just want to engulf yourself a little bit more. You're trying to hone in on your skill. If that's something that you want to do this year, then this is a resource for you. So again, I really appreciate your time. I know you're a business owner. You are so busy. And I wish you the best of luck. And have a great, amazing rest of your day. Make sure you're following the podcast. Make sure you are, following me on Instagram. My Instagram is Shay El Saeed. And my podcast is the Ink Post Podcast. And my company is the Beauty INKstitute. So make sure you're following everything. Thank you so much.